Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to ignore case when checking for equality in Python. So testing for equality is case sensitive in Python. For example, two values with different capitalizations are not considered equal. For example, we have a variable and it's pet and its value set to dog with D uppercase, and then we try to match it or compare it for equality with lowercase dog, and it should return false. So let's see, we are gonna print and we can run our code. Need to match with the lowercase because we have that uppercase right here, and we want to match with the lowercase d, and we get the false as a return value. So that means uh, they are not equal, and Python is case sensitive. If case doesn't matter and instead you just want to test the value of a variable, you can convert the variable's value to lowercase before doing the comparison. So we are going to call toLower function on our pet, and then we are going to compare it. So pet dot lower. Now they are both in lowercase, all the characters, and we are going to run our code again. And now this test return true no matter how the value dog is formatted, uh, because the test is now case insensitive. We are comparing the both lower characters. The lower method doesn't change the value that was originally stored in our pet variable. Let me close this. So the original remains the same, and you can do this kind of comparison without affecting the original variable. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.